Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to upload CV on Indeed. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to upload your CV on Indeed, all you gotta do is simply open your Indeed account by creating or logging in into your Indeed from your website or your app itself. Once you have done this, you need to simply navigate to your profile section, and there you can find an option called resume. Simply tap on it, and if you have already uploaded a CV in it, all you need to do is simply tap on upload another CV option by tapping on the drop down menu bar. There you can find the option called upload to replace resume. So simply tap on it, and now choose the CV file from your device. Once you've selected it, you need to now preview it and confirm that the PDF looks right. After verification and confirmation, you can simply upload it on your Indeed by tapping on the save option, and you are all done. And this is how you can upload CV on Indeed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.